Hello everyone, I've got a bit of health and safety equipment, check me out. Anyway, enough of that. Well, I'll put them back on. So I've been melting my cans, and one thing that is becoming very apparent when using the forge like this in your crucible is the amount of dross or slag, as it's referred to. It's an absolute massive amount. I'm going to do another video just to test 10 cans because I had to drink some at the weekend, obviously, and yeah, just showing how much you get, how much dross and slag you get from 10 cans. However, I've got some cleaner stuff. This was a failed bathroom modification that I was going to do, and the wife has still been pissed with me ever since because I took the bath out and got a shower in, and the shower's quite big. But anyway, enough of that. So we're going to do this, chuck all this in, and I'm going to show you the difference between obviously putting cleaner aluminium, and this is going to have very, very little slag. It probably will all fit in this crucible that I've got, which it does actually fit. Doesn't fit through the top there, but anyway, that's not nice. But anyway, without further ado, let's set fire to something. Right. This is the bit that everyone likes because it has made me jump previously. Look, come in. Woo! It still does make me jump. Anyway, good stuff. As you can see it's a bit cold in here. But yeah, it will be. So anyway, let's let that warm up and see what happens. Just raw somewhat, so let's get you guys further up in the air so you can see what's happening. Maybe not be able to see my bald head. So we'll let that get up to a cherry red status. Use the correct tools. Not too sure what the sparks are, but we'll just ignore it for now. Let's get some solid crack. There's puts a proper kicked on. So I got this, and people who see me wearing it think I look like a minion. But let's see whether that's true. So, how do I look? Do I look like a minion? Like and comment below. Oh no, comment below. Look like you subscribe. Anyway, so let's see on how warm we're doing. I'm also intrigued just on how quick this is all going to melt. So down there I've got my tins for the muffins that I'm going to make. I'm probably going to get one, maybe two out of this, I think. And then I've got my slag bucket, which is just there. But as you can see, there's quite a fair bit in it. I'm not going to put that one in. It's not going to fit. So give that a moment or two to heat up and get the rest of it down. And then what we'll do is I'll show you what's inside. So, one of the guys at work has been saying that I've not been putting the link below the one of these. I'll put again the link for this. If anyone wants to do something like this, it's brilliant. Love it. Just got to make some money from it now. But we'll see. We'll see what I make. There we go. Pop that there. So let me just bring you over. This is where I dropped the phone. So there's a huge amount of heat coming off here, but you can see just the top. That is literally all the slag that is built up from these going in. So I've done it in real time, and yeah, very little at all. I'm going to take that off. I might be cheeky and chuck that in, but let's see what happens. Can we still see okay? Yes, everyone. It's bloody toasty in here already. Right. Got the wife a new one. God, I'm such a man that just keeps on giving. There we go. So that's literally all the slag off, and that I think is lovely. It's a lovely sight to see, just molten aluminium. So this is where all the dangerousy stuff comes in. So please don't mock me. I'm a professional idiot. So we take these, lift. Wow, this is heavy. Yes, Eamon, I should be doing this outside. The top's just starting to a bit of crust on top. There we go. One muffin. Oh, almost two. That back in there. What we'll do is we'll get that other one in. Won't take long. Whee! dross, of which there is pretty much none. Take this out. And then pour as quick as we can. Well, that's not going to work, is it? So move those. Move that out of the way. What have we got in here? Oh, there's more dross than I thought. I lied. I'm sorry. So I'm going to be cheeky. Right, there we have it. I'm probably going to get lambasted for doing that near a propane hose, but hey, never mind. So I'll let those cool off. I'll show you how much they weigh. Right, so the elusive digital scales have gone a wonder. So, oops. So let's see how much we've got. So these is from the melt earlier. So look, they really come out very well. I like them. Yum, 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 yum. Right. That's what Gavin's cooking is generally like, you know, it's a failed mess. So there we go. So what we got here, so just, let's say 800 grams, is that right? Give or take. Yeah, just over 800 grams. 800? Yeah, 800 grams. So not too bad. Again, pretty much very little dross. But, needless to say, I'm on and upwards. I think now I've probably got about 3 kilos of aluminium. The big one is going to be the big bin liner. Stay tuned. Bye.